Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And by the way, last month's box was so epic. I will put a picture up now of the project that I did in that box. So let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, I will have a link for this subscription box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to have individual links to the materials that I have in here in case you just want a couple things but not the whole box. Okay, and this, by the way, again is jewelry grade cord, so we can reuse it for wrap bracelets and macrame projects. So I'm going to keep that, get that knot undone with some chain nose pliers and reuse that cord. And okay, so this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put the projects together in this box. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we have. So the first thing is 4mm aluminum Czech fire polish beads, and there's no label on this bag, but the label doesn't tell us what the bead is, it just has a code on it. So that's what that bead is. 4mm Czech fire polish beads in aluminum, the color. And then we have these here. These are a kind of dagger, but they have you know what, I think they're called Thorns. Well, I've seen different companies call them different things, but there's a spike bead that has a round base right here. It's shaped like a cone, really, but those are called spikes. And then the dagger has a hole at the top, but it's real flat, like a paddle. So this one here is kind of like the dagger, but I think it's called a thorn bead, because I have a strand in my box, and I want to say that's what it says on it. Anyways, this teal color is gorgeous. Very pretty. Oh, caught it. Okay. Here's another thorn. I love this color. I don't know what that is. I can't get this bag open. Oh, there it goes. I guess it's like beige, but it's pretty. So there's 3 of those. Looks like 7 of those. Then we have 2 in purple. By the way, I am filming 4 box openings today, so I should try to make this faster because I'm going to be editing forever. So the shorter the video, the easier it is on me. But I have a very hard time going fast because I really want to see everything. So I really love this color, so I want to open this. This dark brown here is gorgeous. If I can open it. Yeah, I love that color. Almost has a metallic look. Okay, and then we have this periwinkle blue, which is so pretty, and I love this color with yellow and purple, and I also like it with pink. I think I also like brown more as a neutral color. Oh my gosh! 4mm Czech fire polish beads. And it looks like it's the same color as this. I like those. This looks like it might be a really awesome necklace. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, we have pink. Here are 3mm jump rings. And purple 4mm Czech fire polish beads. I'm trying to remember what this is. I have jewel beads in this color here. I think I've used them before in a project, but I want to say this is a pastel line that they have. I don't know, but I think the bead is painted. Okay, and then we have pink. Those are pretty. I have this same color in Checkmates, the tile beads. So, I love those. They look awesome with the pink. Pink and purple. Oh my gosh, there's some cool charms. Wow, it looks like we almost have all the colors for this line. So this is 4mm Czech fire polish beads again, and this is another shade of blue. So there's teal, there's this blue, and there's that periwinkle looking blue there. And then here's teal again, 4mm Czech fire polish beads. They're so pretty. And what are these? This is cool. Okay, so I've never seen a bead like this before, and I have seen beads like all of these before, so I'm definitely going to open this bag. These beads here are more common. Those are cool. Look at those silver beads. Kind of looks like Hill Tribe silver with the pattern on there. Oh my gosh. I think I see 2 whole beads. This bag's not closing right. There it goes. And then we have Labrador silver. So this was matte silver, that means it's aluminum. But this is shiny silver, so that means it's Labrador silver. And then we have 2 10mm twisted jump rings. I've gotten these a lot in this box, and they do awesome things with them in these projects. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, this is very interesting. There's a lot of different beads here. Last month's box was like this. There were so many different beads, and they all worked beautifully together. So I gotta open this because I've never seen this one before. I do not think this is Miyuki. This seems like it's shorter. Miyuki is very square. It's a cube. But this one seems like it's thinner, shorter. That one looks more like Miyuki. But all the other ones, see? They're different. That's a very cool color too. It looks vintage. Okay, and they must be Czech. But I don't know what they are, really. I've never seen those before. I don't think they're Miyuki, though. Okay. So far, this is pretty cool. There's a lot in that bag. We have candy beads. I wonder if this is going to be for the bracelet. I love candy beads. Put them up there. 2 more candy beads in the pastel pink. We are still going. Oh, here's that gorgeous brown. Man, what a mess. This is 4mm Czech fire polish in that brown color. Same as this thorn bead there. We have bead string wire. Looks like a lot. And it's still going. We have ball head pins in silver. We have cable chain. Now cable chain is oval shaped, but it's flat. From the side it looks like it's hammered. See? It's not round. But then sometimes I also have seen cable chain that's rounded and it's not flat. So maybe it's just a shape. And then we have 2 huge jump rings. Again, they're twisted, and I swear it's like a diamond cut, because these jump rings, they do sparkle. They have a shimmer to them. Still going. Oval jump rings, which are awesome. I love oval jump rings. Because it's oval shaped and the opening is on the side, when you make jewelry with it, because it's oval, your cord or your clasp will be on the sides here, so your opening's there. So like those cord crimp things that you use with these here, this cord here. You know how you put your cord together and you put your cord crimp in and you fold the sides over? Though the loop on that is so thin that it will slide right through a jump ring. So you have to either use oval jump rings or split rings whenever you use those things. I hope you know what I'm talking about. Okay. See everything in frame? Yeah. Still going. 2 6mm jump rings. We have several crimp beads, which might mean that we're doing multi-strand. Okay. We have what looks like 7mm, maybe 8 jump rings. The fancy ones again. 2 lobster claw clasps, so it's going to be a bracelet and a necklace. And what is this? Oh my gosh, we have charms. Leaf charms. Okay, we gotta open these. Oh my gosh. So when I saw the top, I thought I saw these leaves before, but maybe I haven't because I don't remember the back being decorative. So I'll flip 2 over. That's the top. Look at the detail. And this is the back. They're both absolutely gorgeous. I can't tell which side I like more, but those are awesome. Now, you know, there's 4 in this bag because it is a project. But if you want to order these, you're probably going to get like 10 or more in a pack. So again, I will have links to everything that you see here. Everything here in case you want something. But not the whole package. You'll see the links down there individually. Okay? So this is it. The colors are beautiful. I am totally a pastel freak and I like mixing colors together, so I think this is going to be a fun project. And again, remember, you will see a picture at the beginning and end of this video of what the 2 finished projects will look like put together. This is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening, and again, I will have a link for the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below in the description bar, along with individual links to everything you see here down there below in the description bar. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.